Hello guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, I give you an update on Mullen Automotive, ticker MULN. Yeah guys, that was, or still, maybe still is a very popular stock, but when we see the price action here in the past months, guys, that looks not good for Mullen anymore. I think, to be very honest with you, they are very close to get delisted. Yes, we're still trading here above $1. We don't have a delisting notice here again after the stock split, but the price, guys, the price is not able to recover here from these massive sell-off pressure. There is no bullish sign at all, but still, guys, yeah, still, even Mullen is here just tanking down. You can see that this ticker here has some spikes in between. And if you don't know my channel, guys, I always try to educate people here in trading, and usually I do that by talking about short squeeze stocks or predict short squeeze stocks in the market. Mullen is a short squeeze play, yes, but the technical situation here is very weird right now. So you can see that this ticker here has some attentions here to spike in between, but there is nothing like a bottom inside. But I try to predict here some price goals, and one of my price goals, guys, was already or is already here saved, was hit here by the algos, but I show you here now, of course, the updated price level based on the chart. This is not financial advice, guys. Why do I think Mullen could be delisted? Because we have here a series of stock splits, and even Mullen performed already here 1, 2, 3, 4 stock splits in a row, guys. Yeah, in a total ratio of 1 to 234. So they could still do some more stock splits here, guys. This is possible technically, but of course the Nasdaq will not like that when they come here to a ratio of 1 to 250. This is usually the maximum a stock can do before they finally get delisted. So the countdown is running for Mullen, guys. As I said, I don't want to scare you here in this video, but I have to tell you that the technical situation here based on what the chart is saying us is not good. But nevertheless, guys, you can see Mullen pumped on Friday plus 15%. So still something is going on here. When we see the volume profile here from September, guys, the whole month of September, there was not one single green daily candle. This is absolute crazy. So when we see here back to the 13th of September, starting here from the 12th, one green candle here at the 11th. But when we see, guys, the whole September was red. This is absolute crazy, guys. And then the result of that here was that we had one big spike with 8.3 million volume. You can see that here in the corner from the TradingView window, guys, here 1st of October we had 8.3 million volume, and that is one single sign of life here that Mullen is still more or less surviving here. So guys, and my price goal is and has been always, you can watch all my previous videos, I said that I don't expect a technical reaction before we reach $2.35, guys. Yeah, that was my price prediction. This is where I said I expect that the algo snapping in, that something happens here. As I said, you can see is everything available here in my previous videos, guys. And here we go, guys. Yeah, so we can delete this error here. This is just annoying. So guys, and here we are. We can see we have a technical reaction, and Mullen is at least starting to react a little bit. I would not say pump. This is not a pump, 34%, but we clearly have reactions here at $2.35. I mean, you can see how the candles try to close above this level here. This candle here, guys. This is not a coincidence. This is because the algos are waiting here. And as I said in my previous videos, the lowest price goal, which I think is $1.85 to $1.70. This is the absolute price goal where I think the algos have to snap in, have to do something here. And maybe we could even see a pump for Mullen here to the upside. So this is what I expect the technical situation is, guys. Or before we go here in the background technical situation, if you don't know my channel, guys, I always release here on Sunday very special short squeeze stocks. I call them the hot stocks. These videos here, guys, when I present them on Sunday, contain tickers with high squeeze potential, and I usually expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. There is no guarantee, don't get me wrong, nobody can see the future, but I predicted you already many short squeezes, and that's why I have these really special videos where I show my finest selection every week, guys. Yeah, just last week, also this week, when you watch this video, it's maybe still Sunday in your country, depending on the time zone. Here on the 18th of October, we had this hot stock short squeeze, guys. Yeah, I published my video here on Sunday, and you can see This is a 4 hours chart. 1, 2, 3 days later, this ticker started to pump 358%. So this is not a coincidence. And the week before, we had even 2 hot stock squeezes. One ticker squeezed 101% and the second one squeezed 270%. Also here, day of the video release, Sunday, guys. 1 day later, shakeout. Green liquidity zone, guys, very important. This is the green liquidity zone. Boom, and 270% squeeze. Yeah, very simple. If you also want to see these kind of short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join in here our trading community. We're growing every day. My popular or the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon, guys. There you get, of course, access to all my member videos, to the hot stock videos, and in addition to my trading alerts. Trading alerts are simple screenshots which I post with also additional squeeze tickers where you see the buy-in liquidity zones, exit price levels, stop loss price levels, guys. And this is very convenient for people who don't have too much time to watch all my videos, guys. If you want to join in, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader. You can click here the info icon in the corner, guys. Then you get access to the links. Everybody is welcome. Feel free, guys, to join in and become a part here of our trading community. Yeah, guys, so what is the worst case for Mullen? The worst case, in my opinion, right now, based on the technical situation, and when I talk about technical situation, I mean this. We have here a huge short interest of the float, a 33.9%. This is huge, guys. Yeah, the market makers are still not satisfied with the price of Mullen. I'm very honest with you guys. I think they want to force Mullen into bankruptcy, delisting and or bankruptcy. This is what I honestly think, and this is also what the chart is telling us. But there is a small, slightly chance that we see something happening here. We have a very high short bow of fee rate, guys. This is not good, guys. This is not in favor for a squeeze. If people tell you, yeah, this is, then we see a squeeze, it's the opposite, guys. Yeah, a very high short bow of fee rate means that short sellers, yeah, maybe there are not many shares available to short. Yes, yeah, the market makers cannot bring the price down because there are not many shares available to short. Forget this, guys. This is bullshit, or let's say it's just not true. Yes, it should be true, but they always find ways, guys, to bring the price down. You know, you can call it synthetic shares, call it whatever you want, guys. They find ways to bring the price down. And the higher the fee, guys, the more bearish it is, because the market makers say, I pay every fee I want just to drive the price down, just to get your shares. Very dangerous, guys. This is not bullish, mark my words. But we have here a situation that Mullen has a very low float of just 1.7 million shares. I think they announced, again, dilution. Don't nail me on that, guys. Make your own due diligence. This is not financial advice, what I'm saying here. But as long as they don't dilute the stock, as long as we have some buying volume here, guys, and as long as the float is so low, there is a slight chance that we see here a technical pump. And the technical pump, guys, could even go here back to $6.50 or higher. I honestly expect that something here between $5.20 and $6.58 is the price goal here for Mullen. Yeah, that would mean, based on the actual price, a pump of 95 to 140%. This is what I think is possible. And when we go down before here in this lower liquidity range zone, then even a bigger pump could be possible here in total of 285%. This is everything what I expect. This is not a short squeeze. This is just a technical pump based here on, yeah, the information which we have right now in the chart. Yeah, I will of course keep you updated here, guys, and if you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates here on Mullen or my other short squeeze plays, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. If you want to copy the price levels here in the chart, the liquidity zone here between $1.85 and $1.70, or the make it or break it price goal, guys, is, in my opinion, $2.35. That was what I said before this price level. I don't expect a squeeze. If you want to copy here my price levels, this is everything based on TradingView. If you also want to get your own TradingView account, guys, I can just recommend that program. And if you want to get TradingView and learn trading, you can of course use here my discount link, guys. If you use this link, you save $15. And I always recommend here the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Also, when you click here the info button, you will get access here to the TradingView discount link. Guys, that was my update for you on Mullen. I wish you a nice day and a nice start in the new week. Of course, great luck, great success with Mullen and all the other stocks. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Einen guten Start in die neue Woche. Viel Erfolg beim Traden und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.